Spring roll is a traditional Chinese savory snack where pastry sheet is filled with vegetables, rolled and fried. This old Chinese food traveled all over the world and has become popular snack, more so in West Africa country, especially in Ghana and Nigeria. It's being sold in streets and you may think it's their own recipe. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing recipe. On today's video we are doing vegetable spring rolls. These are friendly for vegans and my recipe will help you make the best tasty crispy vegetable spring rolls at home using homemade wrappers. You can check the recipe of how to make easy spring rolls wrappers on my last video. Well, let's just get started. I've assembled my ingredients and I will just go ahead and prep my vegetables. My recipe requires easily available vegetables. Like as you can see, I have cabbage, I have capsicum and carrot. And my recipe calls for spring onions, but at the moment I don't have. So I will use the normal onion, that is the bulb onion. So I'll just go ahead and prep them the way you see. I'm going to cut them and then slice them thinly. Watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. As you know, on this channel, I give a detailed recipe step by step. I'm showing literally everything. So if you are clicking my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, consider subscribing, like the video. And for my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for your support and continue supporting me. Leave me a comment in the comment section below what you think of this recipe, or if you've ever done it before or how you like yours done. And watch the video up to the end. These spring rolls are very delicious and appetizing, so you may consider including them in your menu if you're hosting your family or friends, or even just fix them over the weekend and enjoy with your loved ones along with your favorite drinks. And they are very addictive, let me just tell you. And don't forget, very, very delicious. You will be doing it like every day. The good thing, the ingredients are locally available. So fixing them is not so hard. It's very easy. Anybody can make this. I'm made to understand spring rolls were made during the spring festivals with the spring vegetables. And that is why they were named spring rolls, because they were normally cooked during spring festival and also make using spring vegetables. So if you're wondering where the name spring rolls came from, that is how the Chinese named them. If you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I upload another video, you will be the first to get notified. And watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. Thank you. Done prepping my vegetables, and in my wok, I will add some oil. Once your oil has it, add in vegetables. Saute for a minute, then add in your garlic, crushed garlic. Give it a good stir. I will go in with my spices. I will leave those spices on the description box, all the ingredients. So check it there with the exact measurement. I'm going in with my vegetables except cabbage. And the entire filling has to be cooked on a high flame. And also it requires not so heavy pan, because heavy pan tends to soften the vegetables after you are done cooking, because it retains the heat. I've just added my shredded cabbage. Mix them. I will saute until the veggies are half done. I like my veggies crunchy. Remember, we are still going to fry them, so don't overcook them. At this point, my veggie is done. I'm going to add some lemon juice, and make sure at this point your flame is off. Add your lemon and give it a stir, then put it aside to cool before adding it into your wrappers. This is how I like my veggies, looking lovely. Now I'm going to assemble my spring rolls. Take a wrapper, place on the work surface, add the filling as you see I'm doing. Just add the fillings, the amount you want, and it will also depend with your wrapper, the size of your wrapper. Now bring this side as if you are wrapping it, and then push it a little bit back to tighten it. Then we are going to apply the paste. It will act as a glue to seal the edges. Then bring the sides, both sides. Then roll it until all the edges are sealed, well sealed. And if you're using this kind of a wrapper, the one made of liquid, always make sure the rough part is inside, so that you are left with the smooth part on the outside to give you a smooth look after you've fried your spring rolls. So we are repeating the same process. After adding your fillings, you bring that leaf of a wrapper, push it back, and then apply the paste and bring all the edges at the center. Apply the glue or paste, fold in the sides, and start rolling it until it's sealed. All the edges are sealed, well sealed. So we're having another wrapper. This is a square wrapper. When using this square wrapper, place it flat in your work surface, and the way I've done it, it's not straight. So bring that edge and push your fillings a little bit behind. Then bring the side edges. Apply your glue. Then after you push that sides to seal the fillings, bring the left and right both edges and start rolling them. And there you have a beautiful spring rolls. Look at it. So this is continue until all the fillings and the wrappers are finished. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. And I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up. And if it's your first time and you like what you are seeing or you find this kind of content useful, don't forget to subscribe. For more amazing recipe like this, hit that notification bell. Thank you. Now all our spring rolls are done, so it's time to fry them in your pan. With hot oil, drop your spring rolls carefully, and we are going to fry this on a high medium flame. Stir them occasionally. Them cook evenly and even have the golden brown color like that one. My spring rolls is ready and I'll remove them. Place them in a paper towel, a plate with a paper towel to drain the excess oil. My spring rolls are very crunchy and the aroma here is heavenly. The color is so lovely. Look at it. And very crunchy, even the sound. Let's see how inside look. Wow, so beautiful. Guys, it was nice hanging out with you. I will see you in my next. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.